Would you like to know about a crypto gem that has the potential to 100 to 1000x your money, turning $1,000 into 100,000, if not $1 million? In today's video, I will reveal the project to you, why I think it will perform very well, what is the realistic price potential, and also how you can easily buy the coin. My name is Crypto Hype, and I am an expert in finding low market cap coins before they explode. I have some of my publicly called results on screen now. If you're looking for the next big investment opportunity, be sure to watch this video until the end. You won't want to miss out on this top crypto project. Before I reveal the name of the project, I recommend watching the entire video so you can find out why I am bullish on the project, what my price predictions and targets are, and also how you can easily buy the token. Also, please remember that this content is not financial advice. Investing in the crypto market is risky, but investing in microcaps is very risky. So be sure to do your own research to know if this is right for you, and if you do invest, then only invest what you can afford to lose in a worst case scenario. So the name of the gem is Crow. Currently, Crow is priced at 0.0022 with a market cap of $2.2 million. What is Crow? According to the website, Crow is a groundbreaking Web3 technology. It's a new era for cryptocurrency transactions. We offer a secure, transparent platform that simplifies and protects crypto users. With Crow, you can transact with confidence, knowing your assets are in the safest hands. Decentralized transactional real-world assets and freelancer escrow for the masses. Essentially, Crow is a Web3 escrow service. For those that don't know, escrow is a financial arrangement where a neutral third party holds and manages funds or assets for two parties involved in a transaction. The third party ensures that both parties fulfill their obligations before releasing the funds or assets. This provides security and trust in the transaction, which is something that is extremely useful in the crypto industry, where scams are commonplace. Crow solves a huge issue in this industry while staying decentralized. Crow also has a very interesting development and other use case coming soon. I will talk more about this later in the video, so keep watching to see that because it is great. Why have I invested in Crow? Well, I'm going to break it down and give you the main reasons why I think Crow is a phenomenal project to hold. First off, Crow's use case. As I mentioned earlier, scams are unfortunately a big problem in the crypto industry. The FBI has stated that losses from crypto investment scams in the US totaled $3.94 billion in 2023. This is something that has to get fixed, and Crow's escrow service will definitely help lower the amount of scams in crypto. Escrow is very useful and is something I use whenever I can, but unfortunately, there isn't a good Web3 version for crypto. Crow talks about this more on their site, and they said the following. Ever wonder what can jumpstart the RWA era of Web3? Will teams, businesses, and people really fulfill their promises to deliver the product or service you are paying for? Can you buy an item safely with crypto without worrying about getting scammed? If you pay for that over the counter, can you guarantee both sides of the deal? Want to make a bet? Be wise, just put it in escrow. Endless numbers of scenarios can take place. The solution is here. This sums it up and shows how many problems the use case solves. This isn't even all the project has to offer. In a new development just announced on Twitter, they said the following. Alpha announcement. Crow is not only an escrow D app, but will transform into a full-on hub which enables users to use the D app. This is a piece from our freelancer, Web3 Fiverr D app. We plan on scaling our D app to bring on hundreds of service providers to Crow, where they can list all their Web3 services. How often are we in Telegram groups where people offer marketing, advisory, dev work, graphic design, videos, and the likes? We will soon have the ability to simply send them to the Crow D app and list their services where projects and teams can hire them. It will have a rating system and review system with the escrow attached to it, so teams don't get scammed and service providers are ensured payment. Essentially, Crow also aims to become the Web3 version of Fiverr. For context, Fiverr is currently valued at $970 million, so it shows how big this could get. In another really exciting development, they said the following. We are still working on the API/SDK stack, which will allow any utility D app to leverage our escrow service, meanwhile bringing revenue to Crow. Really big developments that I think show Crow is quite undervalued. Another reason I'm quite bullish on Crow is that the project fits two market narratives that I think will perform well, and those are real-world assets and cybersecurity. Real-world assets got a big boost earlier this year as BlackRock is making significant strides in the real-world asset tokenization sector. The firm has launched the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund on the Ethereum blockchain, a move that is expected to unlock a potential $16 trillion market by 2030. This fund aims to democratize investments by converting tangible assets, such as real estate and commodities, into digital tokens, enhancing liquidity and market accessibility, while eliminating geographical barriers for investors. Following this announcement, the market saw a positive response, with significant gains in related RWA tokens like Ribbon Finance and Ondo. This highlights the growing institutional interest in RWA tokenization. Crypto cybersecurity is an industry that I believe is about to explode. The non-crypto cybersecurity industry is projected to experience substantial growth over the next few years. By 2027, the global cybersecurity market is expected to reach approximately $266 billion, growing from around $173.5 billion in 2023. The rise in cyber attacks, including ransomware and sophisticated breaches, is prompting more organizations to invest in robust cybersecurity solutions. Although this is a different kind of cybersecurity, I think that the general growth in the industry will positively affect cybersec cryptos, similar to how the growth of OpenAI and NVIDIA massively benefited the crypto industry. So how do you buy CRO? The way you can buy CRO is the same as any other Ethereum chain project that isn't on centralized exchanges. You need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. I personally use MetaMask, and I also use the MetaMask Chrome extension. You will need to have your wallet loaded up with Ethereum. To do this, you can send Ethereum from one of your centralized exchange wallets or buy with a card through MetaMask's fiat payment providers. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, you will need to connect the wallet to Uniswap, and you will need the wallet's Chrome extension to do this. Then, once your wallet is connected on Uniswap, you will need to find the project on Dextools, and then simply copy the contract address by clicking this button, and then go back to Uniswap and paste it onto the bottom section. From here, it is pretty simple to follow. You just type how much Ethereum you would like to use, and Uniswap will ask if you want to swap your Ethereum into CRO tokens, and you just have to confirm it. Make sure you have enough extra Ethereum in your wallet to cover the gas fee, and I would also recommend putting your slippage up a little bit. I personally keep mine at 5%, but some people would say that is high, so do some research on this. If you want a direct link to the project on Dextools, then be sure to check out the link in the description. I have decided to start putting the project's links in the description, as people have commented that it is easy to accidentally buy the wrong coin. But what are my price targets? Honestly, it's impossible for me to give a price prediction and say this is how high the token can go, but the project looks really strong, the use case is amazing, the team is active, and has been posting on X since January, so the project has been in development for a long time. The upcoming developments look very interesting, and it will benefit from the growth of the crypto industry, RWA tokens, and potentially cybersec crypto. All in all, the current price on CRO is low enough that I think the risk-reward is strong on this one, which is really why I bought it. We are still going to set some price targets, but these are just speculative. Please set your own targets and plan your trade accordingly. I personally recommend trying to get your initial investment out as soon as possible, as this means you trade risk-free. The targets I'm going to set in market cap value are 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, and 100 million. It could potentially grow higher as the Web3 Fiverr could become big. Now, let's calculate how much you could make from all the possible price targets. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit the $10 million market cap, you could make up to $3,400 in profit. Moving on to the second price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit a $20 million market cap, you could make up to $7,800 in profit. Moving on to the third price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit a $50 million market cap, you could make up to $20,000 in profit. Moving on to the fourth price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit a $100 million market cap, you could make up to $43,000 in profit. And in the right market conditions, I think CRO could go even further than this and become a massive player in the crypto space. But obviously, these are speculative targets. As I said earlier, take profits whenever you feel comfortable. Now I have bought and will hold the project, but this doesn't mean you should just buy in. Please do your own research on the project and come to your own conclusion. More details about the project are in my Telegram group linked in the description or in the pinned comment. But Crow isn't the only crypto project you should be looking at right now. I recently picked out the best crypto projects that could perform very well in the coming weeks and months. If you want to find out what these projects are, then simply click the video on screen now. The video is filled with information and has a lot of value.